This brew was invented by 4 thieves in the time of the plague here in the UK, and they would drink this in order to go and rob dead bodies so they wouldn't be infected by the plague. Isn't that interesting?
Peculiar.
It's got fresh sage, it's got chili, it's got thyme, rosemary. All of these are really pepper. It's got lots of pepper. These are really good. They're warming. They're really good for the chest, for the lungs. Really strengthening. Really potent. Very protective.
We start with mint, fresh mint, 20 grams. This is not mint, guys.
No, of course it's not. No.
You'll know if it's
Mitchell
mint,
brought
yeah.
Melissa instead of mint. Come on, Mitch. The smell of mint is so recognisable.
We can go together.
Yeah, I couldn't find the tree though.
It's right beside. It's not a tree. It's a little.
No,
bush.
yeah, no. Can you not fucking put that in the video?
Fresh ginger, 20 grams. Fresh lavender, 20 grams. Fresh sage, 20 grams. Fresh thyme, 20 grams. With a bit of
This is dried thyme,
dry.
so we're using half the amount.
Fresh rosemary, 20 grams. 2 fresh beef red chilies. 4 cloves of garlic. Zest skin of 2 wax lemons. 20 black peppercorns crushed. 20 juniper berries crushed. 20 cloves. 20 grams of rose petals. 20 grams of parsley.
Wow.
And then what happens in a week is ready?
And then in a week, yeah. One
Yes.
week later and it smells pokey. Strong. But good. Very good. Yeah. So what are we doing? So we're going to basically filter out all of the herbs and the plant materials that we used into here. We're going to do like a 2-stage process. This is the first stage. So if you, Fran, tip this all into here. Look at that. Wow. And then I was thinking, because this has absorbed so much of the juice, we can put it into here and squeeze. So we're going to get out every little bit. So do you want to pour that into there? And this is just one of those nut milk bags, but you can use like a muslin cloth or a tea towel, clean tea towel. Oh. Yeah, that's great. Come and see, look, it's now very clean. Yeah, great. Oops. That's it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, a little bit more. Yeah. It's a great tonifier and strengthener, and it's recommended that you take this 3 times a day. And you do like 1 part of this tonic to 3 parts water. So while you explain, I'm going to serve us. Okay, so we haven't tried it yet. So, and you can also use this to cleanse your hands, like a hand sanitizer. You can use it to clean the surfaces. And it's also recommended if you don't want to, so that's neat. And if you can also, as well as drinking it, you can rub it on your body. It goes into the lymphatic system, into the meridians. So you can rub it underneath your arms, rub it into your belly, rub it into your groin area, and then it just gives you like a super boost. So maybe do that if you would like to. Do that once a day.
So we have done, as Fiona said before, 1 spoon of this
tonic.
incredible medicine, and then 2 spoons of water.
And you do this 3 times a day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To health.
To health and strong immune system from Heartland. From the Heartland. Wow. Wow.
It's impressively good, actually.
It's really good.
It's good.
It's easy to do. I could do that 3 times a day.
It's hot. There is something a bit spicy coming as well here in the throat. It's like you feel a bit burning, but in a very nice and gentle way.
It's like I'm having a drink. Yeah. You know, in a bar.
Like a cocktail. Like a cocktail.
It really tastes like
We
a...
are starting just the party right now.
This is going to save lives. And it's delicious.
Enjoy, guys. Let us know what you think as well. You know, after you make your tonic and after you've tried it, put the comments down and let us know. Give us feedback.
Yeah, how you feel.
And how you're feeling
Please
as well.
experiment.
Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
Yeah. 3 times a day, every day.